Welcome to Quiz Cracker. Test your knowledge and know your passion for sports. If you can answer 20 correctly, you are, for sure, great sports lover. So without any further delay, let's get started. Who holds the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles in tennis? Options are A. Rafael Nadal, B. Serena Williams, C. Roger Federer. Correct answer, B. Serena Williams.
Which athlete has won the most Olympic gold medals in history? A. Usain Bolt, B. Carl Lewis, C. Michael Phelps. Correct answer, C. Michael Phelps. Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, B. LeBron James, C. Kobe Bryant. Correct answer, A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Which footballer has won the most FIFA Ballon d'Or awards? A. Lionel Messi, B. Cristiano Ronaldo, C. Pelé. Answer, A. Lionel Messi. Who is considered the greatest boxer of all time with an undefeated record of 50-0? A. Mike Tyson, B. Muhammad Ali, C. Floyd Mayweather Jr. Your correct answer, C. Floyd Mayweather Jr., who was the first person to run a mile in under 4 minutes. A. Sebastian Coe, B. Roger Bannister, C. Eliud Kipchoge. Correct answer, B. Roger Bannister. Who is the first and only player to win 5 FIFA World Cup titles? A. Pelé, B. Diego Maradona, C. Lionel Messi. The correct answer, A. Pelé. Which golfer has won the most major championships in the history of the sport? A. Tiger Woods, B. Jack Nicklaus, C. Arnold Palmer. Answer, B. Jack Nicklaus. Who is the youngest Formula One world champion in history? A. Lewis Hamilton, B. Sebastian Vettel, C. Michael Schumacher. Correct answer, B. Sebastian Vettel. Who holds the record for the most goals scored in a single FIFA World Cup tournament? A. Miroslav Klose, B. Ronaldo, C. Pelé. The correct answer, A. Miroslav Klose. Which tennis player has won the most Wimbledon singles titles? A. Pete Sampras, B. Martina Navratilova, C. Roger Federer. Correct answer, C. Roger Federer. Who is the only cyclist to have won the Tour de France 7 times consecutively? A. Chris Froome, B. Eddie Merckx, C. Lance Armstrong. Correct answer, C. Lance Armstrong. Who has the most career home runs in Major League Baseball history? A. Babe Ruth, B. Hank Aaron, C. Barry Bonds. Correct answer, B. Hank Aaron. Who is the only driver to have won the Indianapolis 500, the Monaco Grand Prix, and the Le Mans 24 Hours race? A. Ayrton Senna, B. Mario Andretti, C. Graham Hill. Correct answer, C. Graham Hill. Who is the first gymnast to score a perfect 10 in Olympic competition? A. Nadia Comaneci. B. Simone Biles. C. Olga Korbut. Correct answer, A. Nadia Comaneci. Who is the only player to have won the FIFA World Cup as both a player and a coach? A. Franz Beckenbauer. B. Zinedine Zidane. C. Diego Maradona. Correct answer, A. Franz Beckenbauer. Who was the first African American to win the Wimbledon singles title? A. Venus Williams. B. Arthur Ashe. C. Serena Williams. Ashe. Correct answer, B. Arthur Ashe. Who was the first female gymnast to win 3 consecutive World All-Around titles? A. Gabby Douglas. B. Shannon Miller. C. Simone Biles. Correct answer, C. Simone Biles. Who holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals in gymnastics? A. Simone Biles. B. Larissa Ladinina. C. Nadia Comaneci. Correct answer, A. Simone Biles. Who is the only person to win FIFA Women's World Cup titles as both a player and a coach? A. Mia Hamm. B. Abby Wambach. C. Jill Ellis. Correct answer, C. Jill Ellis. New to this channel? Please subscribe to take your knowledge to next level.